Psalms 35 for my chant. The devil have a chance we go dance. God give me the grace for my full reverence.
What's up YouTube, it's the boy Tyrekevlogs aka The Reaction Boss. So we're back with another reaction for you guys. Now right now I have Jovi Ton, Psalms 35 official video, you understand? It's been out for a week now, I think. You understand, you know, chap. I guess it's an uplifting song, you know what I mean? So because so I'm going for the song, people like up the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And you all know post every single day, right? Yeah, you don't never like a post some video still, but we try motivate yourself, you me so. I go see what going for the song, yeah. Thank God it's a music video. I know a chap rather music videos them than anything else over here. So I go see what go on. Run through. Directed by Big Up Yourself.
Yo, Melbits, let them know about Christ. Jehovah, the Almighty, my beg you please. Yeah. Me want to surrender my life and me go up on my knees. Young but I bleed my cause, oh Lord, with all those who shine with me. Fight against them that fight against me. Bleed my cause, oh Lord, with all those who fight with me. Fight against them that fight against me. Yeah. Psalms 35 for my chant. The devil have a chance we go dance. God give me the grace for my full reverence. Surrender my life through repentance. Yeah. Father God, destroy the enemy. Nicky said Jovi Ton, we are jam.
It's a gospel. It's on gospel artist Jovi Ton. That go on. Are you sing them song about? Yeah, the song like Dead Boy. I never you sing them song there and what? Different prayer. Bad for years and thing. Yeah, I like it. I remember carrying it. Go on, see what I said a positive message to the youth, which is a good thing. We like it.
For my full reverence, surrender my life through repentance. Yeah. Father God, destroy the enemy. Nicky said Jovi Ton, we are jam. David was a king for the Almighty. Wash away my sins, God set me free. Yeah. Bleed my cause, oh Lord, with all those who shine with me.
Okay.
Fight against those that fight against me. Bleed my cause, oh Lord, with all those who fight with me. Fight against them that fight against me. We are only human, so we make mistakes. Me might a dead long time if I never God's grace. Them fight me for none, so me know me great.
Yeah.
We break bread, put food on plate from you. Break a curse, you break every chain. Jesus Christ shed him blood for we pain. All the wrongs that we do, him love be the same.
God, I want to know if you turn into a gospel artist now. Did you transition into a gospel artist, bossy? You understand? Or it's just music, yeah. You have to clarify the thing, you know. You know what is going on, you know. You understand? Because if you turn gospel artist, you know. I wish, I can't compare it to a woman, but you know, ladies, what's she name? A lady saw she name from Jamaica. Yeah, she name. I don't remember her name, but one of them bad one about heels on. She turned to a gospel artist, Christian and thing. Say turn into a gospel artist or something, brother. Let me know what I go on.
I see the devil again, can't trick me no more with your deadly game. Get a youth better know heaven and hell are real. Cover me with your blood till my whole body stay. Never lose your soul for the things where you gain. When you're dead and gone, you can't come back again. So every day I pray and thanks God. Bleed my cause, oh Lord, with all those who shine with me. Fight against them that fight against me. Bleed my cause, oh Lord, fight against them that fight against me. Yeah.
Lila. Alright, people. Thanks for checking out the little video. They may big up on yourself as usual. I'm going to check out Jovi Ton again. If you never watch a video, I'm going to make him know some selling over. That's it. They may say. I could know what go on. I like the message I put forth still, but you have to make know what go on. You turn to a full-blown gospel artist or just music you have the right to say. You understand me? I say. Because people you can't take it two sides. It's either you're a full-blown Christian and you get me? I say. So yeah. But big up on yourself as usual. Check out the video. You know me? Since there I go on easy back, open a easy back and a chill, see me and I enjoy life. I did myself, I journey open and fuck some pum see me, I don't know a champion or that. Make some money too, I did me I say. That's what I think like. Peace out.